So today I am actually going to be building a balloon arch wall for a photo shoot. We got our Barbie box here and I want to have a balloon wall in behind. So I bought 3 of these Junibel balloon arch kits. Comes with all the balloons you need and the little plastic thing that hold the balloon together. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build that and put it up on my backdrop here. Okay, so now that you have all your balloons blowed up, you want to take the plastic piece. It's got all these little holes right here. And all you want to do is take your balloons, put the tail of the balloon through the larger hole, and then pull it down to the smaller bit. And then that way it's not going to fall out. And you just want to string all the different balloons through each one of these, and it'll make like a balloon arch, I guess. And what we're going to do is when we're done, hang it up on the backdrop here. Alright, so once I had all of these up on my backdrop, I had 3 kits, but I had some extra material from a previous photo shoot, so I actually have 4 panels of the balloons up here. And what I did is I took some fishing wire, which came with the kit, and just cut them into small pieces and tied the base of the balloon wall together, just so it would be a little bit more sturdier. And now what I'm going to do with the kit, it also came with some smaller balloons and some large balloons that I'm going to blow up and fill in those holes and gaps and things that are in the balloon wall. So we will do that and see how it looks. So another thing that came with the balloon kit is just some of these little sticky, what they call balloon tape. And it's just like these little sticky circle things. I've tried using these and unfortunately I've had terrible luck with them. They stay up for maybe 20 minutes and then start falling off. So that is why I suggested the low heat glue gun instead, and that's what I started using instead of the balloon tape, because the balloon tape just did not last long enough, and this will last. And the hot glue gun will help your balloon wall last for at least 2 days. The cool thing I have are these awesome shaped balloons, which I'm also going to use to fill up some gaps and just add some fun Barbie themed balloons to it as well. Alright, so this is what we got so far, and we are going to just keep adding balloons on the side there. I still have a few like lips and stars and hearts and things to add on there. Alright, so this is the finished product of our balloon wall. It was a lot of fun to build. I'm going to put the Barbie box in, get the model in, and just show you guys the finished product at the end of the video. And any of the products that I used, I will link below so that you know what to use and how to build this on your own. It was a lot of fun, so we'll see the finished products in a minute.